This is the SimPure Y7T-BW-C Countertop Reverse Osmosis Water Filtration System. 5 stages of filtering. The company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. It came packaged great and arrived safely. Inside the package, you're going to get the unit itself, the glass pitcher, an easy to read set of instructions. Also inside the pitcher, there's a set of instructions for how to rinse out the charcoal filter on top. And you get this magnetic drip pan that just slides and attaches on. Right off the bat, it's a great looking unit. I love the sleek design, love the color. It looks great on my kitchenette countertop. The great thing about this unit is that there is no installation required. When the unit's empty, it weighs about 15 pounds. It's a little over 17 inches tall, about 8 inches across, and about 16 inches from back to front. You do not need to connect it to a water source. It is a plug and play unit. It has a 2-prong electric cord on here that is about 40 inches long. The only setup related item that you need to do, flush it out 3 to 5 times and you're ready to go. On the back of the unit, we can see the water tank here and stainless steel filter number 1. The tank holds about 1.3 gallons of water, and when the tank is full, it weighs about 13 pounds. You can see the stainless steel filter right inside of there. You just stick it in the sink, fill the whole thing up to the line right here, and after it does its reverse osmosis thing, it kicks the recycled water back into the tank. So when you go to refill it, you just dump the remaining portion of water out in the sink or water your plants with it, whatever you want to do, and then just refill it back up here to the line. It is super easy. Now that we've got the tank off, we can see the internal filter setup. We've got the polypropylene filter, and we've got the reverse osmosis filter. When it comes to replacing these filters, it's super easy. This just pulls out and it's lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. They just screw off and on. The Y7T series filter system is capable of pushing about 100 gallons per day, which is quite a bit. According to SimPure, the filter should last you for 528 gallons or about 2,000 liters of water. And lastly, the water goes through the carbon-activated filter on its way to this really nice-looking glass pitcher right here, which holds 36 ounces of water. When you first set it up, you're going to want to soak this filter for about 10 minutes. This actually screws off to the right. You just stick it inside of here and soak it for about 10 minutes and put it back on. So let's go over the front panel here and do a TDS test. We have a flushing button right here that works 2 ways. If you press it once, it dispenses the water until you touch another button and stop it. You press and hold it for 5 seconds, it goes into manual flushing mode, which you may want to do if you don't use it for a week or so. There are individual buttons for 12 ounces, 18 ounces, and 36 ounces of water. And we have a reset button here for after you replace the filters. And when the tank runs down and it's time to change the water, a change water light appears. Let's do a quick TDS test. Here's some tap water. See, we're at 0. My normal tap water has 236 total dissolved solids in there. No good. All right, now let's test it out with the SimPure. Down to 17 TDS, 17 total dissolved solids. Much better. So there you go, a countertop reverse osmosis water filtration system like this would be great for anywhere with a power supply. The home, the office, a dorm room, obviously the kitchen, an RV. You can take it camping with you, all kinds of uses. Very nice.